think we're live. We're live already. All right, I figure I stream GME and AMC because it's going bananas. It's getting nuts. So the markets are insane today. The markets are absolutely insane. Let me just make sure we got audio here. An ad. Come on, ads. Oh, wait, this is my video. Okay, we're live. All right. So I'm watching AMC and GME because it's going to be a fun ride. It's a roller coaster. It's been a roller coaster for the last few days, and everyone in the world is watching it. The reason I just jumped on this live stream because my neighbor, Shirley, she's 84. She's in a wheelchair. Her little poodle, she asked me to walk her dog every now and then. She said, "Hey, are you watching GME? It's through the roof." I said, "What? You're a granny." She said, "Yeah, I'm in the stock." She's got a Robinhood account. What's going on? She didn't use my link, though. I was kind of mad at her about that, but she's so sweet. So Gamestop and AMC we're watching today. We move some things around so we get ready for the craziness because the market's about to open in 1 minute. And hey, history is being made today. The people are able to control the stocks now. I mean, it has happened many times before. Stocks get pumped all the time, from chat rooms to forums. Reddit's doing it. Everyone does it. Analysts do it. Wall Street does it. So this happens, but this is like the first time it feels different. It's like mainstream now. So this is a different game. It's GameStop, and it's through the roof. Right now, GameStop is trading at $350 pre-market, which is insane. AMC is trading at $20 pre-market, up 300%, which is insane as well. So Wall Street doesn't know what to do. You would think that typically they would be cracking down, figuring out how they stop this madness, but no. I think what they're doing is they're calling their buddies and saying, we need to buy this thing. We need to get on board because I think it is going to 1,000. So these Wall Street bet guys, I think they have the price target of 1,000. Originally, I think it was 100, and then they changed it to 1,000, and it looks like it might go there. So I'm watching because this is exciting. This is the fun part of trading. Back in the day, investors, when investing was investing, you wait a year or two. They would watch these stocks, and they would go up, 3% over the year, 5% over the year, and they would dance. They would have parades. They would celebrate. They'd have good times. Now, we got stocks that go up 1,000% in a day. Crazy times. Crazy times. All right, so I got my coffee with my lid so it doesn't spill. I carbon fibered the desk. It's looking good. And we're going to watch. Oh, markets are open. I missed it. All right, markets are open. Let's hit it. Oh, my God. Let's hit a refresh here. All right, let's move this because the percent's falling off the screen. Can't even keep up with the percent. Move this some more. What is that? I can't even read it. Hold on. I got to move it some more. They're going off the screen here. All right, 95%. It's plummeting. It's off the screen. Hold on. Look at it. Oh, my God. It's a rocket ship. All right, it's pulling back. Now, what's happening is everyone, kids, moms, daughters, everyone is looking to buy this thing, and it's very dangerous because people that don't even know what trading is, they're like, wait, I got to download an app and buy something? All right, I buy it. And they bought it, and this thing, oh, wait, is it halted? Wait, no, it's not halted. It's confused. Yeah, so everyone's buying this thing. I think they're selling all their other stocks to get into GameStop and to get into AMC. But it's dangerous. It's very dangerous. But it can be very rewarding. That's why there's risk and reward. This is like gambling. I think, no, it's not halted. 290, pulling down. It's pulling down. All right, this is madness. 280. What's going to happen? So is it going to hit the $1,000 price target? Are these Wall Street bet guys going to start to sell? I don't think they are. They got what's called diamond hands. You can't break them. 312 GameStop. AMC 1550. AMC's pulling back. Let's click over to them. See what's going on here. Whoa, look at this pullback. Look at this pullback. Look at my technical analysis down here. Now it's in the 15s. Look, everyone's funneling in to buy right now because they're on this forum. They're saying people go showing their portfolios. Oh, I'm up millions, hundreds of millions. We need to keep buying. It gets more dangerous. The higher these stocks go, the more dangerous they get. But so AMC, I think they're saying a price target of 100. GameStop 1,000. So every time you think these stocks are done, they keep going. So I'm watching it and I'm analyzing. I'm not in these because this isn't an investment. There's no understanding of this other than it just being a crazy short squeeze and momentum from everyone juicing this thing up. So if you get in it, it's pretty much just close your eyes and hope it goes up. There's no fundamentals about it. 1670 AMC, GameStop 310. Are they going to halt this thing? I think it's halted. It's not budge. Oh, nope, it's still moving. All right, it's only a matter of time until they halt this thing. I mean, I'm surprised they haven't. These suits, they must be in it as well. They're like, hold the halt. Don't do it. Wait. It's going to keep going. It's going to keep going. So GameStop holding it around 300, which is impressive. Yesterday, it was at 140. It's up 100% today. AMC through the roof, 232% today. Jeez, what are these companies doing? I really want to know what the CEOs are doing right now. Are they dancing or are they scratching their head? I wouldn't be surprised if a dilution didn't come. Let's see what all the other stocks are doing. Whoa! Every other stock is bloody red because everyone has sold them to buy into GameStop and AMC and possibly lose their money now. But hey, I'm all for the people making waves. But if you're new, you have to be cautious. This doesn't mean you're going to be a millionaire tomorrow. Okay? You got to be cautious. So this is fun. This is fun for me because I'm watching. I'm seeing the show 1612 AMC, GameStop 328. Okay, it's lifting up. So GameStop and AMC move together. The patterns are almost identical. Look at this. Okay, identical patterns. Both are through the roof. So when GameStop makes a move, people are kind of watching that, shifting the AMC and moving similar. These Wall Street bet guys, they're in both. I think they're more interested in GameStop right now. They don't want to sell. They're not selling at all, which is insane. I mean, at what point do you sell? If you're up $1 million, when do you sell? AMC pulling under 16. So GameStop's pulling down, AMC's pulling down. They're moving synchronized swimmers. What's going to happen? All right, what else is happening? IVR, juicing. Space, juicing. BlackBerry, juicing. Listen, the times are changing. What happened was, years ago, okay, I've been trading for a very long time. It was very different. Not that many people were trading. I don't know what the numbers are, but if I was to think of a scale, I'd say 15% of Americans were trading. And a stock could move like this, but it was very rare. Now, I feel like 90% of people are trading. And now, enough people get together, they can move a company any way they want. They pick a target, and they can move it. So there's no saying what can happen. Anything can happen. And these analysts, these Wall Street guys, they're scared. Maybe in the future, these Wall Street bet guys and other YouTube people, forum people, people with big chat rooms are the new analysts. And they control where things go. They say, oh, price target 3,000, and it goes there. But it should be justified. But they gave us too much control. They gave everyone the access to the Robinhood app, which is like so easy. It's like scrolling through Instagram. You made it too easy for investors to buy and sell stocks. This is what you created. Now we're moving stocks with no reason. They're going through the roof. And hey, whatever, ride the waves. This is how it goes. It's interesting. I'm watching. And they're lingering. They're holding their gains. This is nuts. This is really nuts. GameStop holding 310. AMC holding 15. What's going to happen? So we have a huge gap here. So for those that are unsure of what's going to happen, no one knows. No one knows what's going to happen. But big gap here. This thing could pull down to 100. It could sell off. This thing can waterfall at any moment. Any moment it could waterfall, and any moment it could rocket. Look, shorts are toast. Those shorts are crawling to mommy right now. They're ruined. So, GameStop, maybe, will be at 650 tomorrow. Who knows? There's no way to predict it at this point. That's the thing about investing in stocks. Without these crazy moves, it's predictable. You see their revenue, you see their growth. You can figure out where they're going to be the next quarter. You look at their technicals, you can understand it. This you can't understand. You just throw your money in, close your eyes, and hope it goes up when you open them. If it goes down, you're broke. You lose it all. So it's definitely fun and exciting to watch, but I'm just on the sidelines because I'm not a gambler. I'm not a gambler. If I want to gamble, I go to the casino. But hey, if you can make money in this thing, I'm happy for you. This is very exciting. But it's dangerous. GME under 300. Watch it pop right back over it. One big buy comes in. One person that has a couple million in the bank. They don't know what trading is. They go, oh, okay, I'll throw some in there. I'll double up. Boom, back over 300. So if you're just signing on, a few people are jumping in. GameStop, AMC, through the roof. You think GameStop is going to be like doing any charitable things after this? You think they're going to be giving away games, Xboxes? You think they're going to be just keeping it to themselves? You think they're going to be celebrating in the Bahamas tomorrow? What are they doing? Because their market cap's through the roof. Okay? If you look at this chart down here, yeah. Just a few days ago, they were in the 30s. And then this thing went on a tear, and now they're in the 300s. 280s. AMC, same thing. AMC, January 15th, it was $2. What? That's insane. You could have like 6 extra money in a few days if you bought AMC. But who would have bought it? AMC's dying. Rona season's here, and the movie theaters are toast. But what I like the most about these moves is that this group of people, they're saving these dying businesses. AMC, GameStop, they both are beat down and battered, and they saved them. These guys are nowhere near bankruptcy now. Now, they're almost bigger than Apple. This is crazy. Up GameStop, $340, boop, in a second. That moved $50 in 1 second, $50 per share in 1 second. Unreal. Yep. Let me just reply here. That's a great comment. So today is the day, someone in my group just said, it's the day to watch. Eat your popcorn, sit back. If you don't want to lose your money, you sit back, you watch. Let other people gamble. I mean, you could definitely do it. Definitely gamble if you want to, just only gamble what you're willing to lose. You know when you go to the casinos, you don't go in with your entire bank account. You go in with what you're willing to lose, go in with a few $100, have some fun. Yeah, but you could be a millionaire if you go crazy, but you could also lose $1 million. It's not, in my mind, it's not worth the risk. You could make this money in a safer way, investing in companies where the moves are justified. So let's look at some other stocks. Just look at the watch list here. Everything's bloody red. Everything's deep in the toilets. Deep in the toilets. Because I think everyone's sold to buy this. The markets are nuts. I think there's going to be some cracking down in some way. I don't know. They gave the people too much power. There's no commissions. I remember I paid like $15 per trade. Now people got it good. It's free. You pay $0. You pay no money, and you get the trade. You get to buy and sell as much as you want. It's nuts. All right, GameStop, 315. AMC, 17. People are buying in still. What's the volume like? GameStop. Oh, volume is actually lower than I thought. 15 million. Average is 84. They just started. AMC. Oh, there we go. AMC. double the volume already. That makes sense. So it looks like more people have shifted to AMC because there's more value. GameStop is so high up, very expensive. Majority of people buying these stocks are new traders, and they're going to target AMC because it's a cheaper share price. So, but what you don't know is it's moving with GameStop. So if GameStop comes down, that doesn't mean AMC is going to keep going. You got to wait for these people that are pumping it to shift all their attention from GameStop to AMC, and then it could really juice AMC up. But these moves, they're not going to keep going every day. Look at GameStop. It's almost at the high. The high was 350. Is it halted? Something's got to halt. Yeah. Okay. GameStop is finally halted. Is AMC halted? Yeah. Okay. Nope. GameStop's back. They just don't halt them. They don't halt them. It's moving. What, they halted for a second, and the Wall Street suits that were in say, "What are you doing? I'm up. Remove the halt. Remove the halt. Keep it going." 325. GameStop's still moving. I don't think AMC's moving. I think AMC's halted. Yeah. Okay, so AMC is on a halt. GameStop is still moving. So if you don't know what halt is, it's pretty much just like putting pause on a video game. You pause it because the game was too intense. You got to pause it, put down the controller, sit back, have a water. Things are too crazy. When the halt's lifted, when the pause is removed, you resume the game, you could begin trading again. It's to calm things down, let you know, like, hey, slow down. Stop tunneling all your money into this thing. Wait, think about it. I'm going to give you a few seconds. Sit down, relax, think about it. Okay? You sure you want to do this? We're gonna lift the halt. You sure? Yeah, I want to do it. And then they buy more. That's what a halt is. Okay, AMC still halted. It's probably going to open. Well, let's see. Let's see what GameStop does. If GameStop moves up, then AMC, when the halt is lifted, it should open above the current price. Let's see. GameStop's kind of lingering. So, I don't know. I think when the halt's lifted, it's just going to be around the same price. So, this is fun. I wish I had popcorn. What do I have? I don't think I have popcorn. I got... Yeah, I don't have anything. Yeah, GameStop's lingering. Oh, look at that. Good old BlackBerry up 17%. Looking good. Fisker Whisker holding 15. All right. So today's a red day. Today would be a good day to get some cheapies, but because the market's sinking, you wait. You wait until things calm down because you don't know if another red day's coming tomorrow. You wait. All right. I don't know what's going to happen here. AMC still halted. All right, so GameStop is slightly inching down. Slightly inching. Let's get a little tighter in here. Let's get a little tighter. Let's get even a little more tight. Okay. The percents are so big. All right, GameStop is pulling down, so AMC will most likely unhalt lower. We'll see. It's been halted. I think the halt's, 15 minutes? Okay, GameStop perking back up. This is crazy. What do you guys think? Is anyone in GameStop or AMC right now? Is anyone crazy enough? All right, GameStop tanking. Anyone crazy enough? Who's in? I like Lordstown more than Fisker right now, just technically wise. The chart looks better. In GameStop. All right. What price you get it at? List your prices for AMC. What'd you buy it at? I don't recommend buying AMC. That's me personally. I don't like gambling. But I like watching crazy stocks. It's fun. At 465, it wasn't at 465 yesterday, was it? Damn! And you're still in? You haven't sold? What's your price target? What's your price target? Thoughts on all those? I don't know. That's a lot of stocks. Okay, AMC unhalted. Here we go. It's in the 16. See, GameStop pulled down. AMC pulls down. Moving together. All right. They're both going red. But I wouldn't be fazed at this point because they have crazy sell-offs and then they just rocket back up. So it's like diamond hands of a lifetime. Look at that. It touched 15 for a blink. Back into the 16. It's up. It's almost 17 now. Wow. A lot of dip buys. A lot of dip buys. LAC is going down. Everything's down. The whole port is red. This is a discounted day. Appreciate the discounts. Appreciate them. All right. AMC tanking. Here she goes. 16. Straight to Putville. It's going into the toilets. AMC. Oh, 15 in the toilets. Can you review Knock? Good on Nokia. Yeah, but give me a second. It's a little crazy right now. You got to juice it till Friday? All right. All right. I like the commitment. 1550. Okay, so let's draw some support. If any of you butt nuts are looking to get in. I mean, none of this makes sense, but for now, we got to support at 1544. It's not going below it, so we'll see what happens. Let's delete whatever these are, because these don't matter anymore. BlackBerry holding 18. Okay, Fisker Whisker waking up. Space waking up. Palantir waking up. All right, looks like stocks might start to go green. Oh, today's earnings day. We got, I think, Apple, Tesla, and Facebook earnings after hours. I believe I'm right on that. So that's going to be exciting. I think all three are going to have good earnings, especially Apple and Tesla. Going to be a crazy time. All right, AMC broke support. Second support right here. 15. Let's see if it breaks it. 15 flat. It's going to waterfall effect if it can't hold it. Oh, it broke it. It broke it. Here comes the waterfall. Here comes the waterfall. You ever been to Niagara Falls? If you haven't, you're about to see it. Although GameStop is holding 300. Let's see. How strong are these hands? I mean, logically, you're supposed to sell right here. Logically. Did it get halted? Is it halted again? I think it's halted. Oh, if this is halted here, that can be ugly. 1434. I think it's halted. Yeah, Microsoft was incredible, Oscar. Incredible. Now that's a company you buy. Yep, AMC's halted. So when this opens, this is probably going to open in the 13s now. Okay, I see what's happening. I see what's happening. All right, the suits have got out. The suits are out. It's game over. It's not GameStop. It's game over now. The suits are out. So what they're doing is they're doing halts in increments. They throw a halt in, let you build up fear in your mind. They open the halt, you sell. They halt it again as it's going down. Same thing. Repeat, rinse, repeat. It's going to keep inching down. Look at GameStop plummeting. This thing is going to now open in the 13s, maybe in the 12s. So when this halt lifts, it's going to be ugly. But that doesn't mean that in an hour from now, this thing's going to quadruple. Because who knows? This is the dangerous part about trading. This isn't investing. This is trading. This is the dangerous part. Because there's nothing to base this on. You're taking your money. You're balling it up. You're throwing it in the market. And you're hoping it goes through the roof. And if you lose your money, you're going to be mad. You're going to be like, why me? It's because you gambled. This is what happens. Red or black. Pick one. All right. AMC is going to open in the 12s. 12s or 13s. Once they remove the halt. Maybe it's a 5-minute halt, 10-minute halt. I'm not sure. Matt, that's a lot of stocks. That's a lot of stocks. I'll try and let you know in the comments, but that's a lot of stocks. All right, AMC, come on. Lift the halt. Let's see what happens here. I'd rather buy other stocks right now than film them. Ralph, you're a smart man. Smart man, Ralph. He gets it. These stocks, you don't buy. You just watch. You popcorn, you watch. Okay, these are dangerous stocks. If you got money, you don't care about your money. You're like, hey, I got 2 G's in the bank. I don't care. I'll throw it in. All right. You might make a lot of money. That'd be dope. Forgot my lid. All right. All right, the halt is still in place. Is GameStop halted now? They put a pause on GameStop? Uh-oh. All right. The suits are moving in hard on these. They just sent in the SWAT teams. They're both halted now. Okay. The stock market police are cracking down. If you're in these things, it's about to get crazy. It's about to get crazy because now the Wall Street Reddit guys, they're angry. Because now they're being messed with. They're not thinking about these things. That Wall Street has big hands. Wait, I gotta come up with different names. The suits have big hands versus Reddit. Hackers. So who's gonna win? The suits or the hackers? We're gonna see. AMC is about to open up. 1434. I want to see what happens when this halt gets lifted. 1434. It should. Let me find out how long this halt lasts. It's probably a 10-minute. Maybe they're gonna really squeeze it with a 15-minute halt. I don't know. With those just jumping in, we're live. We're doing a live stream. We're watching GameStop and AMC, and they're both about to plummet. So I'm gonna be shocked if when the halt lifts and they're quadruple. I'm going to be very shocked. AMD price prediction, $12,000 or $1. You got it, Jay. You got it. Both about to crash all day. Listen, too many people are involved. So now what's happening is in the beginning, you had diamond hands. You had 100% diamond hands. No one wanted to sell this thing. They were all on board. Now you got everyone in this thing, and everyone, the majority of everyone, has weak hands. They see the stock dip a bit, they sell, causing a crash. But now you got the suits. Oh, there we go. It's opened. Waterfall. She's opened. All right. Can it remove the waterfall? Can the kayak go upstream? 1350. That's my white line. I just drew a support line that got taken out in a blink. Look at the waterfall. So not only will people be posting their portfolios of them making a lot of money, they'll be posting it of them losing a lot of money. So, dangerous game. Listen, if you're on this stream and you're new to trading, which probably the majority of people on the stream already are subscribed, I do stock alerts. That link is in the description. I also have a chat where I help you guide you through your investments and your choices, just to give you a little bit of an edge with my experience. Check that out if you're interested. But right now, we're watching people gamble, and it's looking very red. Even though they're up. I mean, if you bought these yesterday, you're still way up. But if you bought today, dangerous. Very dangerous. BB is next. BB already exploded. BB is a little bit different than GME and AMC because GME and AMC are heavily shorted and they were dying businesses. So the Reddit community was trying to save them, which was a good deed. I applaud it. BB, it's opposite. BB had very good news come out with Amazon and all the other patents and stuff. It was looking very good, and I actually was in BB and I rode BB, but now it's kind of went up too fast too soon. So I think it's going to act a little bit different than the other two, even though all three are mentioned in the community. It's not going to ride the same because it's not on the brink of bankruptcy. It's not heavily shorted. Okay, I think AMC is halted again. Look, they're doing the halt trickle effect. They're halting, releasing. Let it waterfall halt. Let it waterfall halt. They're going to ride this thing all the way back down, and people are going to be toast. GME. GME is actually holding better. Holding much better than AMC. Now they're kind of working differently. Like I said, the Reddit people, they're more interested in GME right now. They're in a fight. They're in a war right now. And I don't know how close it is till the war is over. They're battling. AMC in another halt. GME is live. So I think what they want to do is let GME do its thing, but not let it trickle out into other stocks. Because if AMC went through the roof today and then tomorrow and again, and this kept going on, then it shows that the Reddit community and other communities have the power to do this to any stock, which is dangerous. I mean, it's fun for us. We make a lot of money. But it's dangerous for Wall Street, for the suits. So they're not going to let it trickle out into other stocks. They're not going to let it go into any stocks that you pick. Imagine if the Reddit community wanted to just target some random stock, pump it, make a lot of money. It gets dangerous. So they're kind of like stopping the trickle effect by letting GameStop move, and they're kind of not letting AMC and others move. So it's just an opinion, what I'm seeing. So AMC's in a halt again. GME, let's see, GME back over 300. So, I mean, we're going to find out now when this halt is lifted if AMC is going to ride with GME still. But as of now, they've departed. GME's like, all right, AMC, it was fun. See you later. We're going back up. You hang out down there. You're done. So we're going to see. So when this halt gets lifted on AMC, if it rockets back over 14, it's following GME. It's catching back up. It's a little bird that got lost from its mother. It found it again. So we're going to find out if AMC is done or if it's riding with GME in a few minutes when this halt gets lifted. All right. Let's see. GME still doing its thing. All right. Other stocks. Fisker Whisker, 2.5%. Looking good. What else? CCIV in the toilets. LAC in the toilets. Everything in the toilets. Pershing, very cheap. I'm going to be adding into that once that levels out. SunPower, that's due for a sell-off. Switchback, looking good. Holding in a red market. These are all the stocks I'm watching, trading, investing. So, all right, GME. All right, lingering at 300. I'm more curious than AMC because I think the majority of people that have heard the news and the hype and everything, word of mouth, they bought in AMC today because the volume is double. It's through the roof. So if you look down here, typically the volume is 155 million in a complete day. That's the average. We're at 373 million in 30 minutes. We doubled the volume in 30 minutes. A lot of people funneled into AMC thinking they're going to be rich. Instead, they lost their shoes. They're not going to be eating beans and rice for the next year. 2021, not off to a good start. Space, looking good. All right. A couple stocks I'm in that I expected to be red today are actually doing well. All right, I feel like AMC, the halt is going to be lifted soon. Where's my agua? Where's my agua? Dang it, I lost my agua. Shoot. All right. 1160. It's holding. So anyone jumping in now, AMC, GME, wild ride. If you like roller coasters, you're in them. If you don't, if you get nauseous and sick from the coasters, you're on the sidelines like me. Bird's eye view, watching. Watching from a distance. We're waiting to see what AMC opens at. And we're going to wait and see if it's following GME still or not. Has the bird lost its mother or did it find it? We're going to find out in a few minutes. It's probably maybe in 3 minutes it's going to lift. Maybe 10:05. I don't know when they halted, if it was at a round number or not. But it's waterfalling. It's Niagara Falls waterfalling. GME. Oh, there we go. Halt's open. Oh, whoa. It's perking up. It's trying to perk up. Oh, $12. It's trying. Okay. Oh, all right. It's trying to catch up with GME. It's trying. It's trying to find the mother. The mother bird. 1208. Oh, all right. It looks like it's still tagging along with GME. It's slightly more battered and beaten down, but it's holding. Where's the mother? Find her. 1250, 1270. All right. See, perking up. Perking up. It's a percolator. All right, but now the fact that these stocks have pulled deeper in a hole, it's harder to get out. So think of it as like a hole at a graveyard. The deeper that hole is, you got to climb much higher now. So can AMC dig its way out of this hole and dig up? Can it get out? It's got to go much further. As if it just bounced around here, whoop, it's up. Easy. Fell in a puddle. Climbed right out. Now it's deep in a grave. Deep in a grave. So we're going to wait and I'm going to watch this for a few more minutes. See what happens. 13. It's at 13. GameStop. Is GameStop halted? No. What are the bid sizes here? So we got bids 2,200 on the bid. That's a lot of money. I don't even know what that is. All right, stocks are starting to actually go green. Some stocks are starting to perk up. Blink, Ride. Things are perking. Apple. All right, markets are turning around. So the people that were in these two button nut stocks are now probably shifting out to get back in the real stocks. Like, wait, what did I do? Why did I sell my Apple and get in this AMC and lose half my money? I need to get back in Apple. What was I thinking? So things are crazy. But AMC, nice bounce. Nice bounce. But, like I said, it's deeper in a hole, has a bigger hole to climb out of. Can it do it? It needs to get back over 15 to go bullish. It needs to get back over this line to go bullish. I think it's halted again. They're going to keep halting this thing all day because they don't want you to trade it. That's what they're going to do. They don't want you to trade it. Yep. It's going to keep getting suspended. This is a bad kid at school. Okay? Every time he shows up, the teacher says, no, get out. We don't want you here. You're too crazy. You're running around, bouncing off the walls, hitting little kids, throwing apples at them. We don't want you here. You're suspended. Leave. Come back in 15. He comes back, he does it again. You're not playing by the rules, Johnny. You're not playing by the rules. We want kids that sit in their seat, doodle on their papers like they're supposed to. Even text. You can text on your phone at your desk. But we don't want you throwing apples at the teacher. We're going to suspend you. Because that's not how it goes. That's not how the stock market goes. There needs to be order. We don't want craziness. Right now it's craziness. Yes, Hannah. You don't trade these. You watch them and you laugh. You have a good time. But you don't trade these unless you're a gambler. If you're a gambler, then you trade them. Me, I'm an investor. I invest in companies that have reasons for movements. Not gamble stocks. This is a gamble stock. BB was good until it rocketed. It went up too fast. Look at this. It Eiffel Towered. Okay? Up, down. It's an Eiffel Tower. Look at this. It's an Eiffel Tower formation. That's what the stock did. Okay? Whoop, 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 whoop. Eiffel Tower. Too fast. We want stocks that go up slowly and consistently like this. That's what we want. That's nice growth. When a stock goes up like this, it's going to come down just as fast. Don't want that. Even though it's fun, you can make a lot of money very fast. It's dangerous to get into it because it's not a nice, consistent, slow growth that makes sense. All right, AMC still on a halt. All right, AMC is going to be halted all day until people get frustrated, run out of day trades, lose half their money, all of these things, and then they're going to realize, shoot, I should have been trading the normal stocks because the stock market needs to be normalized. But, hey, this is like a movie. It is. This is like Wolf of Wall Street. It's craziness. It's absolute craziness. All right, I'm going to wrap up this stream. That was, I think, like a 40-minute stream or something. Hit the subscribe if you want to see normal vids. I do analysis like this of stocks. Blah, blah, blah. You're probably all subscribed anyway. All right, that's it. Thanks for tuning in to that madness. I think it's going to be kind of boring for these two throughout the rest of the day. They're probably just going to keep getting halted and frustrate people. Hopefully, all the other stocks level out because I'm going to start probably buying some cheapies, some discounted stocks. When stocks are red, that's when you buy. You don't buy when they're up 3,000%. You buy when they're red because you're getting discounts. Do you like going to the store? Do you look at the price tags when you go to the store? You go, oh, it's on sale, I'll take it. Or do you go when the price is doubled? You don't buy it when it's doubled. If a shirt's should be 20, it's 40. You go, they're stupid. I'm not buying that. That's how you got to treat the stock market. Think of it as you're going shopping. Okay? Look, AMC, plummeting. So anytime you buy a stock, is it on sale or are you overpaying? Be smart. All right, I'm out. See y'all later.